Hello, my name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will introduce the sixth edition?
Seventh edition.
Seventh edition of the Korean Labor Law Bible. It's a very meaningful publication. So, could you introduce the seventh edition of the Korean Labor Law Bible?
Sure. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'm very happy to introduce new edition, the Korean Labor Law Bible. So this book has been published 7 times. Also, first version was published February 2005. So it's been already 20 years. So this book has been well used by the foreign companies, also HR managers. So this book contains almost every part of labor law and their applications. So I'm sure this book will be very accepted very widely. Also, many HR managers asked me when the new edition would be published. So I have told them it will be published soon, but it has been delayed for almost 4 years since the 6th edition was published. There are several reasons why I postponed this publication this part. The reason was the labor law has been revised. Also, new Supreme Court ruling changed the previous rulings. So that is the main reason. Since this book was all sold almost the early last year, so the publishing company asked me for revision. So, but it has taken such a 1 year period. So formally, I revised this book 5 times because of this book has been updated each part, also each different content. So that means I have developed, updated this book, also supplemented more content or make more suitable content in this book. So I'm very confident about this book. So please, I think if you are previous the reader of this book, I'm sure this book will make you very satisfied with the new updated version. Yeah.
I see. So since the last edition, it took you more than 1 year to publish the 7th edition. So I think in order to revise the content or update, you must have considered for a long time to what to include in addition to the last edition. So could you introduce by title which labor law has been updated?
Yes, yeah. Major update I have made is so like for example ordinary wage. So it has some very important Supreme Court rulings in 2013, also 2024. So I think our regular bonus or some regular allowances, they should be included into ordinary wage. So our wage system has been changed dramatically. So what has changed? So it was made in the Supreme Court verdict. So based on that, I made one important article regarding that. So with my external article, I uploaded maybe that part in this book. Also, foreign companies that hired less than 5, they normally they are not applicable to Korean labor standard act like dismissal case, but there are exceptions, principal exceptions. So I made also my own article regarding that issue. So I uploaded that article. Also, there are many small minor changes. For example, the motherhood protection, that part it has been changed because we have a lowest birth rate in the world. So to some improve our birth rate, so there are a lot of subsidy or new additional support was introduced in the Equal Employment Act. So that part also I revised that in this book. Also, that the minor changes in other sections, so I revised them. So in total, I reviewed each section very carefully and updated them with updated knowledge and also some changes. So now, so far, as of this time, this book has been almost completely updated. So I'm sure from now on, for coming 3 years, this book will be used as a basic component, basic reference, is the best reference because this is the most recent labor guide.
I see. So it means that most of the updated labor law are all included in this labor law Bible.
Yeah, I can say most of them are included in this book. Yeah.
Yes, so it has taken a long time for you to revise and update. And especially when you are doing like 4 times regular labor law lecture,
Yeah.
I believe that your lecture is based on this labor law Bible content. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. So this the Korean Labor Law Bible also is used as my own textbook to give my own lecture. So I'm giving regular lecture online through Zoom. So some HR managers or labor authorities are participating in my lecture. So then this book is my main textbook. So my one lecture term is a 2 months period. So each odd month started, then it finished within 2 months period. So like in a year, I give 6 times the regular lecture. For each time, it has 12 hours. So every Thursday evening from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So I give an online lecture. So I'm using this book as my own textbook. So my participant they learning a lot. Also now I'm using this updated books. I'm sure new participant will enjoy more about my lecture. Yeah.
I see. So because of this labor law Bible is very important. It's very important to also promote and so that like foreign our client HR manager or staff can get access to this Bible labor law Bible. So what is your plan of promoting this 7th edition? Promoting.
How I promoted this book?
Yes.
Yeah.
To
So I
apply.
think the first one is word of mouth. I think this book has been 20 years in the market. So anybody who already purchased this book and used it, then definitely they want the updated one because this is the only book that we maybe they can buy the bilingual way. This book is provided bilingual. Like this book has 1,400 pages, 700 pages for Korean, and another 700 pages are for the English. So I'm sure it's the same content. It's kind of twin, the left and right, same content but different language. So I'm sure. So my advertising method is, of course, I'm always post this cover in my Facebook. Also, I'm going to distribute this book to my retained client free of charge. Also, if anybody who visit my office, I'll give a 50% discounted price. So that is way. Also, through my regular lectures, I'm going to use this book as my textbook. Then I'm sure, like word of mouth will be a very powerful tool for advertise this book. Yeah.
And also because it's bilingual, I strongly recommend that we should send this book to Ivy League universities in the U.S. like Harvard University. What do you?
No, I think they already purchased this book. So some of my friends send some photo. So one time, Washington university in in the USA. He saw in law library. So in Korean section, they found my previous versions. So they sent me the photo they took about my book. So I'm sure if they are interested in Korean labor law and their applications, I'm sure they'll buy this book and place this book in their library. Yeah. So I don't have to send it.
Okay.
If they need it, they have to purchase
Yes,
this
of
book.
course.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, congratulations again for the publication, and I hope that many people can get access and purchase this book. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for your asking. Also, thank you for leaders about watching the explanation. Okay, bye bye.